Okay, I'm actually recording Ella on the TV monitor in her room while she's supposed to be napping, and she's doing other stuff. So she has no idea she's being recorded. This is what Ella gets up to when she's by herself. I hope this comes out. He's hugging stuff. Oh no. So this is again Ella by herself. We thought she was napping, but the baby spy cam is telling us different.